Hello and welcome back again to Junkyard Summit, and today I will just drop some insights on this new ProArt chassis. So this is the ASUS ProArt PA602, and this is a massive premium chassis that can support up to an E80X motherboard with multi-GPU support. Aesthetically, this case is an eye pleaser with its subtle / minimalistic design, but I also do like that ASUS did not skimp on its cooling option, which includes a meshed front intake, wherein you could easily pop it out with a press, revealing dual 200mm fans and providing more than enough airflow for your system. Cooling option for the top section is also amazing, as you can easily mount 3 140mm fans or up to 420mm radiator, and just like what I did with the ProArt LC420 AIO. And if that is not enough, there's also another 140mm fan included at the back that acts as an exhaust, giving your system a good balance of airflow inside. ASUS also included a PWM fan hub, so you can easily route and hide your fan cables for a cleaner build. And besides this hub, you'll have access to the physical fan speed control switch, effortlessly toggling between casual usage and demanding workloads. And since we are in the front I/O already, this ProArt case has a physical lock for the power switch, preventing accidental shutdowns and reboots. Besides it is a reset switch, 2 Type-A 3.2 Gen 1, a 20 Gbps Type-C, additional USB 2.0, a headphone jack, then finally the aforementioned fan control switch. Storage support is a little bit disappointing in my opinion, given that the size of this case can only support up to a max of 4 3.5-inch drives and 4 2.5-inch drives. Given the size of this case, I was expecting that it would support at least around 6 to 8 3.5-inch hard drives, given that traditional hard drives offer better value when it comes to storage capacities. There are also other features that are worth mentioning, and this includes an IR sensor that signals if the front mesh needs cleaning. We also have a Wi-Fi antenna dock, so you can neatly hide it, maintaining the minimalistic look of our case. And lastly, bottom wheels, so you can easily move it around given it's huge and heavy. And right now, you can buy the ProArt PA602 for around 13,000 Philippine peso, and it's actually quite expensive, but you do get those aforementioned features that is somewhat unique to the PA602. And if you are into the ProArt design ecosystem, then this case is probably the perfect addition for your clean and professional setup. So I think that's all for today. And by the way, ASUS is currently running their Rate My Gear program, wherein you could win exclusive ROG loots just by sharing your experience or doing a short review on eligible ASUS products. They also just recently extended their video card and motherboard warranty support to 4 years now, and it is actually great for us end users. And if you like this video, go hit that like button, and if you do like to see more build videos or case overviews like this one, please do subscribe to my channel. And once again, this is Brain of Junkyard Summit. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.